individual has achieved the remarkable feature of being a second-time Master Entrepreneur Award winner of the APEA. This individual has also transformed Koike Malaysia into a diversified business group with operations across multiple industries and international markets. Under his leadership, the company has expanded its presence across Asia, built partnerships with over 200 global business partners, and manages the movement of more than 1,000 shipping containers annually through its logistics operations.
We always believe attitude change everything. Tonight, thank you our team, our customer, and our family.
I joined this company, Koike company, in 1988 until now. So we starting that time only we are do the packaging material. Then we moving to industry, warehousing, retail. Then and finally we do the assembly for automotive. Yes, I always believe attitude change everything. We are so many partners join me. Then our new business will come to me. Then so very happy because we have got this award. Thank you.